move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Yo. What's up? Oh, what happened to my... Let's see. Okay, here we go. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? All right. Let me get my Zoom started here. Let's do this.
Recording in progress.
So guys, I hope you're on. Just do me a favor and smash the like button.
Morning all.
Good morning. Hey Kenya, how you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Euro step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been on myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, it's me and Tay-Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's a routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boob dreams. And look, we made it.
Well, it's officially September 1st. Now let's see if London session volume is back. Even though today is Friday. Oh wow, is it Friday night over there now in Australia?
No. Afternoon. Damn, GJ. I think it must have been a few minutes after I left the dump.
Yep. That was exactly what happened. Logan said he sure did.
Next time, I'm just gonna have to stay up.
Yeah, or drink a coffee or something before we start New York session.
Damn. Oh, how'd you do for last month's profit.
You mean the win rate for last month?
Yeah. How much did you gain on your account?
But I
If you
have,
want to say that.
yeah, I have not calculated it yet.
Okay. I managed to get 17.9%.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
18%. If you round it up, not bad. Shit, we did good
Yeah,
last
very
month.
good.
Yeah, and the win rate last month was 85. Our goal was 90, but hey, I'll take 85.
Yeah, very good. Thanks, guys.
No, H, I think Wal said last month he took 7 trades on his own, right?
Yeah.
And then you had 6 wins on those 7 trades and 1 loss.
1 break even.
1 break even, yeah. So if we take those 7 trades off, that should be what, 15-16%?
Probably around 14 or 15, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably around 15.
Yeah. I'd like to see what NAS is going to do here because this demand has not been touched yet. See what NAS is going to do. Because she's bullish on a higher time frame and still bullish here on the lower time frame. If I caught this sell, shit, I definitely would have taken it, even though we're bullish. And if this was London, shit, would have taken this sell. Get this weak fill here, and possible. It's also possible for price to come back to this demand, and we push up again. So today, guys, GJ, there will be no trade in this range. We gotta wait for a BOS on GJ today, either to the upside or to the downside. So we need a break of structure before we start looking for trades on GJ. Gold on the other hand, we are still in this 1 hour range, but if we can tap this supply and actually reject because she's clearly still in a downtrend, then if there is enough peep range, we can take a sell. If not, we're gonna have to wait for a break of structure of gold as well. But if this supply does not hold and we break 1944, this should hold. And I would actually like it to break 1944 actually, and then reject this supply up here. Okay.
Trucks from 7-1, love this life I get to live. I wake up and run it up. Student of the game, I'm a scholastic. Platinum when I swipe, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the
Just gonna use this. So
Student of the game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa.
yeah, so I'm gonna combine the 5-minute and the 15-minute supply together here. Well, I just said he wants like mathematics.
Oh yeah, I love those numbers as long as they're going up.
Yep, that's the only time I like maths. My final year exam, when I actually passed maths when I was in high school for my final exam, I was surprised. But but I also know why I passed. Because I copied someone
You
else.
cheated?
Yep, I cheated.
Damn, I knew it.
I had to. I had no choice.
When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
See ya. See ya.
I sucked at maths.
Be gone. See ya. See ya. See ya. Be gone. Thumbing through the blues, no BB King. Back to back shit, so I'm looking for the ring. I wake up, I brush my teeth.
Ah, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Aya knows what I'm talking about. I had to make sure I was sitting down right next to the most brilliant kid in my class. And he had no choice but to let me sit down beside him too. And to let me just copy all his answers.
Man, Abe, this bullying that poor kid.
Man, I didn't even care whether it was the right answer or the wrong answer. Like, I was not reading anything. If he circles A, I'm circling A. If he circles C, I'm circling C. I don't care. And I actually got a B in maths, a B. Man, when I go to, so in Nigeria we call it SS1. Here in America, I think that's the 11. That's the, I think, 10th or 9th grade. No, I think the 10th grade. That's what we call it here. So when I go to the 10th grade, I hated going to school. I hated it. Logan said when he was 7, he copied the story of a kid next to him. And he got an award for it. Man, that's a funny story.
That kid you copied must be like, what the fuck?
The kid probably didn't get anything. Oh man, that's crazy. Look, and did the kid get anything? Simba, MFF is gone. Yeah. Hey, that's the government for you.
Logan, you screwed him over. You probably told the teacher he copied you or something.
So Tal, like when it comes to all these prop firm companies, that's why I advise you guys as traders that, yeah, it's okay to have a prop firm account because I understand why people do it. Because in order for you to really make money in this industry, you need capital. So when you get that prop firm account, you go funded, you have to make sure you do everything possible so that you don't lose that account, because you can use that funded account to fund your own account. That should be the goal of every funded trader. There are traders right now that was with MFF that were funded even $1 million, and guess what? They had nothing in their own personal account, nothing. And these people have been getting payouts of like 10 grand, 15, 20, 5, 30, 50 grand in payouts. Like, what are you doing? You should have been putting some of that money into your own account. That should be the goal of every funded trader.
Exactly.
Because whether you want to believe it or not, every prop firm company that's registered here in the US, Canada, probably maybe even UK, the same thing is going to happen to them. What happened to MFF is going to happen to those prop firms too. So if you're with any prop firm company and you're actually funded and they registered here in the United States or Canada or maybe even the UK, man, all the profits you're making, you better start freaking saving it and putting it into your own freaking trading account. I understand you got to maybe pay some bills, whatever you got to do. You don't have to use all the payouts you got. Just cut it into half. Put half towards your own trading account, and use the other half to do whatever you got to do. Yeah, the 5%ers, they registered in the UK. They registered in, I think they registered in Israel too. I think they registered in 3 countries. All the other perfume companies, they're still coming for them.
Oh, yeah. I bet they're all worrying right now.
They all should have learned from this other company, funding talent. FTMO, I think FTMO should be safe because they registered in, I'm trying to remember, Prague or something like that. I think FTMO is registered in Prague. You just got 5K paid out, man. You see that 5K you got? Put 2,500 into your trading account. You don't even have to trade it right now if you don't want to, because 3,500 account size is nothing. That's anyway. Let me leave it at that. $2,500 trading account is nothing. So put 2,500 towards your own trading account and just leave it there. Right? Just leave it there and keep trading on the prop firm. on your funded account. Because if you can trade a platform account and you're getting paid out consistently, there's nothing to be scared of. You can trade a live account. Because now you've become a very disciplined trader. If you can get a payout from a platform account consistently, you're a disciplined trader. Good morning, Choma.
Happy birthday. Lil Shanae, Louis V8 for your birthday. Step it on your day, no slide on you.
Man, you see all these other platforms that are not registered in the US, Canada, or UK, they're about to get a lot of clients.
Yeah.
They about to get flooded with clients.
You gotta imagine all the US accounts, they're gonna withdraw their money from their funded and put it into all those other ones.
Companies like Funded Nest, the Billion Scalps, this one that just they registered in 3 countries, I believe: Israel, Dubai, and maybe Prague. No, 4 actually: Prague, and then there's one other one I can't remember. It's like 4 different countries. Oh, MFF is not registered in the UK. Oh, I guess that's why their website says US and Canada. Yeah, the funded trader is in the US. Yep. The funded trader, I believe my funded FX is also in the US. Yeah. Rocket 21, I think that's in the US too.
I'm in the dark, like what's to come? It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you.
I mean, they are regulated, but just not here in the US. You have to be. Oh man, Mitch. Man, I don't know what to say, man.
Yeah, that's unbelievable it happened at this time for you.
Yeah, like he just got funded 600K and then this happened.
London's open.
You see, even though MFF says if their clients give them a few weeks, it's gonna take longer than that. It's gonna take longer than that. This thing might take 6 months to a year. I hope it doesn't take that long. But cases like this, that's usually how long it takes. But as long as they unfreeze MFF's bank account, then I believe they will pay people out. I think that's what MFF is trying to get done too. You can do what you gotta do, but just, unfreeze the account. One of the main reasons why trading with a small amount is very hard to do is because as humans, when we talk about money, you automatically thinking about something big, an amount that's just that you've like never made or seen before in a day or in a week, right? But if you have a small account, that number that you're looking for, it's impossible for you to make it in a day or in a week. So because of that, you want to make that amount, so you're just gonna keep trading. You're just gonna keep over trading. You're gonna keep over leveraging because you want to make that amount. So that's why it's very, very hard to trade with a small account. Because the small account, if you make $20 in your mind, you'll be like, what, $20? Depending on where you live. Like, for example, in some part of Africa, $20 is a whole lot of money, right? But here in America, $20 is nothing, right? $20 is nothing. So you see that $20, when you should have freaking closed at that $20 and just take your money, right? But you see $20 and you let the trade keep running, and boom, trade came back, and then boom, stopped you out. And then you end up losing maybe 50 when you should have closed that $20. And I promise you, one of the reasons why that trader didn't close that $20 was because he looked at that amount and was like, nope, $20 is too small. No, let me go for 50. I need to make $50. That's what I need to make today. The $50 you wanted to make, you end up losing it.
I think every trader wants to be able to make at least, a livable wage off of trading. Not like $20. You can't live off of that,
Yeah. Shit, even a homeless person can live off of $20.
Buy one McDonald's, last you a day.
What's up, J2? Good morning. No, the 5% test is not registered in the US or Canada. I think the CEO is from the UK, I think. I might be wrong. Oh yeah, you can't even, like, I don't know about anywhere else. Like, you can't even get a $20 freaking bag of weed. When you get a $20 bag of weed, you'll be like, man, what the hell is this? You know what? Give me $50. you will want to get more because $20 is nothing.
For my daughters, yeah, it's for my twin. I work through the night, I do what I like. Get a check, I go for the ride. I've been down the ride for the win. Still move on the hush, never run for none. I face my fears, I just drop a 9 month to month. Still
Like the dude that get my smoke from, there was a time I told him to give me weed of like $100, and I looked at the weed and I'm like, what's this? You know what? Give me 100 more. Because I just looked at it and I was like, no, this ain't enough.
I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Get some checks, I invest, and I spend a check. Spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to bet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change.
Level up, I don't know. It's probably here in the US too.
No watch, no diamonds, no watch.
Like if you go to the website, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, it should say where they registered.
Again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich. I'm sporty and rich. I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Do it again, again, again. Do it again, again, again.
You're welcome, Bonnie Savage. Well, London is open.
Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it. Family strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the.
All right, Mitch.
It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
Man, I feel bad for Mitch, man.
Yeah, I love you too.
If you can, you should start thinking about, making your own account if you have funds for that.
They say we should make a YouTube, but we don't do that. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
Damn, you spent 9K total? Sheesh. Who knows? That 9K might, who knows? Maybe that 9K might be at 50 grand now. Let me give you guys a tip here. Just for those people that, still want to get more capital and, get funded. Start small. Because with most of this program, you can actually get, I think, like three accounts, right? And they all have a scaling plan. Now, you don't have to wait for the scaling plan, but this is what you can do. Start small. Let's say 50K. Start from that 50K. Because if you cannot freaking pass a 50K account, what makes you think? What makes you think you can freaking pass a 100K challenge account or 200K challenge account when you can't even pass a 50K? So start small.
Hey, I'm gonna be a millionaire.
So start small with 50K. If you pass that 50K, you get funded, trade on that 50K account. As soon as you get your first payout, put some of that money, boom, put it away. If the bills you get to pay, use some for bills. And then get another 50K account. Get another 50K account. And then get a copy trader. Now you have two. I mean, well, you don't have to fund it, but you guys should be getting my logic here. Now, if you pass that 50K, the second 50K account, right? Wait for the payout on that one too. You get your payout, use some of that money, boom, get another 50K account. Or now you can even get another 100, now you can get an 100K account. Because you were able to pass the 50K account twice. So the first one was not luck, was not a fluke. You actually know what you're doing. You did it the second time. So third time, you can go get 100K. Or if you want to still get a 50, you can get a 50. That is how you need to do it. Don't just jump just because the program is offering you a 300K account size, and boom, you just go get it 300,000. Just start small, and then work your way up. Before you know it, you'll be at 500,000 funded. And you also have your own capital as well. And then, obviously, you're going to need to use a copy trader to trade all those accounts. Yeah, you can start with the 10 or 25K. Yeah. Yeah, you can start with 10 to 25 if you can pass the 50K. Because, man, there are so many reasons why you just don't jump into you getting a higher capital. Because You don't know what it's like to manage a big account, a large capital. You've never experienced it. For example, you're in a drawdown. Maybe you used to seeing, let's say, $500 drawdown. But now, you could start seeing drawdowns of 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you traded on a large capital, and then you see that freaking large drawdown. Automatically your psychology is like, oh shit, what the hell is this? I'm $5 grand down. Ooh, you start panicking, and boom, some of you might even close the trade. And you turn around and look, you be like, shit, this thing actually went my way, man. I should have freaking stayed in. Your psychology is freaking messed up. You fucked up. Just don't trade anymore. Go relax and come back the next day. The next day, the same thing might happen again. And then boom, you lose that account. Because you can't handle the drawdown. It's new to you. That's why you have to work your way up.
That's true. It's happened to me before when I increased my lot size and I was in drawdown. I was like, shit, that's a big number. Jesus.
Man, shit. It happened to me too. Man. I'm like, oh snap. And it was a NAS.
Yeah, it was NAS for me too.
Even now, and it only happens to me with NAS, and especially with NAS whenever I trade US30, because my broker is in points. So the drawdowns I be seeing sometimes, I'll just look at it. I'm like, fuck, man, I hope this thing goes my way. Because we're humans. You can't. There's nothing you can do. I know traders say, don't get emotional, man. What the hell, shit? Freaking get emotional. You humans, you can't avoid it. But what you can do is to make sure your emotions does not get a hold of you. Like once you allow your emotions to get a hold of you, like take over, that's it. You finished. You're done. And that's what I do. If any trader tells you that they don't get emotional, they freaking lying as hell. Especially if they lose a large amount of money. Nobody likes to lose money. Or maybe they're in a drawdown. If they tell you they don't get emotional, it's a freaking lie. Because what you're telling me is that you're not humans. Like even if you're not emotional by nature, because there are some people their emotions is they just don't have it. If you're not emotional by nature, but when it comes to money, man, that emotion will come. That emotions will come. Because we're talking about money. That's why I tell people that Forex is hard, at the same time it's not, right? The learning part, how to actually trade, is simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. Because there are ways you can just uncomplicate how to trade. Trading itself is simple. But what makes it hard is the human being, is who we are, because we're humans. That's what makes it hard. That's why you have stages that you're going to pass through before you find success in this industry. You have to pass through those stages. And the stage that you're gonna be for, as long as you're trading, you're gonna be forever stuck in that stage, is the emotional stage. You will get emotional. You just don't let it get a hold of you. Damn, I talked too much today.
Let them hear it, man.
I'm probably high. No, not probably. I am high. But hey, I can still see clearly. All right? I can still see clearly. I can trade. I operate, when I'm trading, whether I'm smoking or not, I operate on a different level. I'm in the spiritual realm when I'm trading. And then when I smoke, it just takes it to another level. Yep, higher level, kid, a bit. You know it.
You just still stuck in a range, Jonah.
You said you just be stuck in the range?
Yep.
Even if GJ rejects this supply again, I'm not gonna take it. I'm definitely gonna wait for a BOS, yeah. I should cut this part out and okay, put it on YouTube short. Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I'll do that. We have one life passion. We just gotta see if we're gonna reject. If this candle closes bullish, I'm definitely gonna wait for this candle to close and then can have a sell entry just a little bit below this current candle. Right now I don't know where the stop loss is gonna be because obviously this candle has not closed yet. And I don't know if we're even gonna have at least a 1-to-1 here in this 1 hour range. So we'll see. And what I did here with this supply here is I combined the 5 and the 15 minute together. So I think the 5 was right here. Let me go to the 5 minute. Yeah.
my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressed to making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real.
Let me see.
No leans on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No
Okay. We have at least a 1-to-1.
can let them know just where I live, for real. 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 Really real. Really real.
Like a 25 pip stop loss and a
For real. For real. For real.
28 pips TP.
On my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real.
Steady.
Wrist, for real. Went through hell to get to this.
Yes, Gbpjpy, yes. But now I moved it to the 5. Yes, I am, Medina. What about NAS? Let's see. I mean, NAS is bullish. NAS is bullish. If I'm going to look for sell, it's going to be right here. Oh, yeah, come on. So NAS is bullish. If I'm going to take a sell, it's going to be at this supply right here. And for buys, I'm waiting for you to get to this demand here to take buys.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my
You're welcome, Gbpjpy.
cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital. Go, go, go. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. The cash is digital. Digital, dash digital. Run it up. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. Stepping like Marty McFly. Stepping, I feel like
We don't know if this supply here is actually going to hold.
you know you in it for win. I stand on
We just gotta wait and see.
friend. Only the fan that can. Only my
Because just because we have a higher probability supply set up there, doesn't mean this thing is gonna hold.
You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. Cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on none of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold.
And you see this bullish candle, this 15-minute bullish candle that just closed. The reason why I have my stop loss below it is because we have a higher chance, right, of price continuing to the downside if we can break this rejection candle. if we do not break this rejection candle, even though there is this, we actually rejected the supply, there's a chance that we could push back up and break the new highs and even break 1944. So, or if we have a minor support formed somewhere here, then I'm going to move my entry up a little bit, because now we have a minor support formed, and if we start breaking that minor support, this price, I said price, gold should definitely fall. So if that happens before we get to this entry that I have here, then I'm gonna move my entry. But if that doesn't happen, my entry stays here.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris.
Look at GJ. She's not doing anything. I guess London has not improved.
Get on the playground. So many bags on me. You would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go and top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go and top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now.
Oh man.
I was looking at the buys on gold earlier.
Yeah, it was because of this supply that was sitting here. That's why I didn't want to trade the range. If not, if we had more room, I would have, because this candle was the London session open candle, I would have taken it.
Yeah. Looked good because we got that tapped in, breakout.
Yeah. Damn, we only get 47 likes. Come on, guys. You guys can give me 100 likes. 47 likes? That's unacceptable.
I'm coming, man. I'm gonna make that 48. Let's go. There you go.
Thank you, Bonnie Savage. All right, guys, we need 32 more likes. 32 more likes to get 100. Let's go. The first trade we take, we're winning. And it's probably going to be the only trade for this session. Oh well, looks like we ain't rejecting.
Overseas, I'ma do this for my seeds. Wife your hair and spin bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster.
She ain't ready.
Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
If this candle closes bullish, I'll move my entry somewhere here. But for now, we're going to keep it right here.
So is there a specific rule for entry, just like you just mentioned? If it's bullish, use the previous wick
So
to enter.
So when it comes to my entry, it depends on the setup. Sometimes I would take my entry below a minor support or a minor resistance. Sometimes I would take it below the previous candle or above the previous candle, depending on the position and the setup.
Got it.
All right, we need 18 more likes, guys. We need 18 more likes.
Double up, double up. Yeah. Double up, double up, double up. The money I color, 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 color. Double up, double up, double up. The money I color, 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 color. 2 turns of 4, 4 turns of 8. Sleep and get paid.
The hell, this just.
I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's
The hell, my trading view just froze on me.
trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options.
Oh boy.
I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff for silent.
What the hell?
The money I color, 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 color. Double up, double up, double up. The money I color, 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 color. I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe.
Oh, it was Discord that froze.
You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near.
Can I see GJ? No, GJ needs to break. And I'm willing, if it gives me a buy setup, willing to take it back to this supply. Yeah, Kim. Those of us that stayed, we caught it. But I only took 20 pips from the GG sell. 20 pips I closed.
You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a million. Yeah, feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building. Yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Don't care, cash got cars. No lean on my cars. Car hard on my heart. Tattoo on my scars. Tattoo my new scars. My life has been hard. See me in the light. I was in the dark. I wake up, I send it. I wake up, I spend it. I drive Chevy, no Benzes. See me slide, not tenant. My house, yeah, I own that. Your house, yeah, it's rented. Started where the flow at. Now I top the building, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a million. Yeah, feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building. Yeah.
Alright guys, 6 more likes to get that 100.
Ooh yeah. Shake it up. 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 On trips I never trip. shoulder, gotta chill. Yeah. My best friend, my chick. My best friend gon' whip. My best friend, she pull up with a stick. My best friend, she pull up, then she skirt off and we dip. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
No worries, Mel 45 Forex.
Ooh, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up.
Okay,
I got things to do.
let's see if NAS is gonna do what I expect here.
Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make
That was actually a 30-minute demand on NAS.
see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the block with you. I just wanna spend some nights with
Oh,
things to do. Talking me plus you. I got
you
things
see, this is how you
me plus you.
be missing out on setup sometimes. Yep, definitely the 30-minute, and we could have taken the highs above this minor. I mean, taking the buys above this minor highs. It's okay though.
Would have secured our 30.
Oh, so I could have secured 30 already?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's okay.
Stop playing with me. Girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me. So just come stay with me. We could be on the run. We could be on the go. We could be in Barcelona. We could be in Mykonos. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got
Stop spamming JNP show.
talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say. Only if you say. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say. Only if you
Can I see that nice for a second when you draw the demand, please?
Oh, you say you want to see where I draw demand on NAS?
Yeah.
It was only 30-minute from this bearish candle to the bottom, and you drag.
Okay. The one before that is 15 minutes.
Because this is before this bullish candle broke, you had this bearish candle. So you start from the high of the bearish candle to the low of the bearish candle, because this was the candle that actually broke.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Where would I have entered NAS? Let's go back to the 15. Right here, the break of this minor high, minor resistance. Right there, that's where I would have entered. Do I hold crypto? Yeah.
Back to back, like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say nothing. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's the case one. I've been down too, like this day strong. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise, I've been paranoid. This is God body, you can never void. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. These beats are up and beat 'em. These bags you can't believe 'em. I never saw the country, but the money comes with Sweden. I meet 'em, then I leave 'em. I wake up, fight my demons. I never grew my circle. I can't trust you with my freedom. Give me lockdown. Keep you
Man, I can only imagine that there's a lot of MFF funded traders that are not trading today.
I get free. I don't go bust and I go plain Jane, watch me ski. Yeah, I see you now, I could tell you watching me. I go ghost, but tell me I'm more like his lead. Rockstar, baby, turn pop star. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss,
You're welcome, Gbpjpy.
say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop.
I don't know if gold is gonna fall from here anymore. See this 30 minutes supply here? We have to break this. To take buys. But what I'm gonna do here, because this 30 minutes supply is too big, I'm gonna go to the 5 and use this one right here. Now that's what we need to break to look for buys on GJ. That's what we need to break.
I got babies, they got needs, and I'ma meet 'em. I got babies, so I clothe 'em and I feed 'em. I got babies, living angels, they're no demons. I got babies, you meet God if you mistreat 'em. Play no games, no way. Play no games, no way.
I would like to see this candle close bullish.
Play no games, no way. Play no games, no way. Got me paid for sure. Rapping work, those pay year to year, every year. You know it.
Yeah, it closed above the resistance. I mean, not closed above, it broke above the resistance.
You busters have 'em. I'm athletic, I wear track pants, never matching.
Just didn't close above it yet, but you got the supply sitting there too.
No way, play no games. No way, play no games. No way, play no games. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way.
if this current candle closes bearish, we're going to take a sell. I said bearish, bullish. I need this candle to close bullish. And if it does not close bullish, I'm gonna need the next candle to open bullish and then flip, create a long wick, rejecting this resistance, last supply we have here, and then I'll take a sell. No, we're not in anything right now. If she doesn't give me what I'm looking for, I'm gonna have to wait until we break the first rejection candle. Okay. I like how this candle closed. I'm in it, guys. So GJ. It's fine.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, showstopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't got
Yeah, Wayne GJ. I gotta go use the restroom, and I'll be right back. Once you get 12 pips at least, you can secure it. That's where I'm gonna secure. So I'll be right back.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big. I knew that one day that I could make it big. I'm talking high to say smoking without a sense. Now we get up and do roll like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. Took some losses through the process, had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. If it's love, I got it tatted. Father, I'm not absent. I was working smarter back when they was working backwards. Do it for the gram, you only do it for a catch. Dropping back to back, but really I've been relaxing. I might go for months, I could go for years. If I take a break, I promise I'll be relapsing. Started from the mud, I just need attraction. Started with a buck, now I tell the label match it. Yeah, I've been my own boss. I took that leap of faith, yeah, I really dove off. Nothing I need to say, I let the work show off. For my kids, I go hard, gotta go hard. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Pocket full of faces in it blue, alright. Start the car and I drop out the roof, I'm sliding. Everything you said, it wasn't true, you lied. Call my phone and you wanted to scoop, you tried. Stop talking about the deals when you don't have a deal. Lying through your teeth so much you're thinking that it's real. I cut off the loose and so now everything is sealed. I dump off a bag and let my baby count the bills. Bada boom, bada bing. Catch me riding clean, not the paint, but the slips. Got 'em, I can't have no leans. Worry about the scene, like your life is a scene. Go hard and stay humble, can't let nothing come between. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Not a baby, but I stay right with a bop. Always drop. They were talking about me falling all like, ooh, I cannot stop. I've been talking about the top. My top is now your top. I got business overseas and it's coming by the flop. I started from the bottom, like Patrick with the rock, or Stockton with the rock. I'm too jelly with the rock, and I'm thinking out the box. From New York, no Millie Rock. From New York and not the rock, but that Yankee on my top, and I'm cool like a breeze. Blessed like a sneeze, heard you mentioning me, that's depressing to me. Dress with the ease, dress when I please, with my tats like a sleeve, it's been regular to me. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time,
Kind of flipped on us, huh? So I'm watching this on a 5-minute on my phone. We break this 5 minute supply. The sell is over with. If we're gonna continue falling here, we should not break that. So we'll see if this new 5 minute supply is gonna hold. Let me delete this line here. Check USD what? NGN. I don't trade that. Am I in GJ? Yes, I am. Check your sell. This is what I try to avoid. That's why I always have my entry below the first bearish first rejection candle, I mean, which is this bullish candle. But I liked how the previous candle closed. That's why I took the entry where I took it. If not, it would have been below this candle. Yeah, Anton, I know that's Nigerian naira. You're in Gbpjpy? Okay.
To deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody.
Let's go down.
Got back to myself, I'm not sorry that I lost, dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and with my paws out.
Look at freaking NAS.
Let's look at
This is
it's rejecting right maybe the 30.
No, not even the 30, because I looked at the 30. Yeah.
But yeah, that's not clean, you know.
Because if you look at the 30, it's not really clean right here compared to the 15. So yeah, I should have freaking tapped that 15. I follow my profile. It's good. They're good. The question now is this 5 minutes supply here on GJ, if it's gonna hold. It should be falling. That's the freaking setup here. Until it breaks this supply, there is no buys. New York session yesterday. This is how GJ teased us, and then boom, she dropped.
Maybe I just need to go to sleep again.
You said GJ 1 hour Wakefield. Let's see what you're talking about. What Wakefield are you talking about, Jatuvi? Oh, are you talking about this wicks down here? Oh, you're talking about buys. Gold going down. Well, unfortunately, I won't be taking gold this session. Well, GJ should be doing what gold is doing right now. No, we don't have a UK major news today. I looked at the news earlier. We don't have any major news in the UK today. Yep, no. We don't have any major news in the UK today. It's not high impact. It's not high impact. So I look at investing.com and Forex Factory, and both of them says it's not high impact. So we'll see. Nope, I disagree. My FS book might be better than Forex Factory, but it's not better than investing.com.
My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us.
Okay, business contact.
I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me.
Hey, with gold, would you have moved your entry up higher?
Let me see. Nah. If I move it up higher, I'm just trying to be impatient.
Okay.
And honestly, yeah, you breaking up. And honestly, what I would actually wait for is for if this candle closes bearish, right, below this previous bullish candle, because you actually have a minor support, which should actually be a 5-minute, yeah, right here. Now I'll be waiting for a 15-minute support to be formed, Right minute we have a bearish candle closure, then I'll take the sell below that.
Okay.
The only way I would have moved it up, just like I did with GJ, is see if it was like a liquidity grab setup. Like if we had closed above 19, if we had crossed 1944, but the body actually closed below 1944, then I would have moved my entries somewhere over here and just take the sell.
Okay. Gotcha.
Now, you guys can take the gold sale if you want. I'm not taking it. I'm still in drawdown in GJ. You passed 100K funded. Nice. Congratulations. Plus, I don't feel like taking 2 trades today. This session is freaking, it's Friday. And the volume is not really there. GG free bullish again. This candle was just looking good.
Catch me riding clean, not the paint, but the slips got 'em, I can't have no leans. Worry about the scene, like your life is a scene. Gotta stay humble, can't let nothing come between. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time.
Those of you on Zoom, look at what OM sent. He said this is for me. That's funny. It says, are you a successful stoner? Those who combine weed and being productive, what is your secret? I don't know. I guess it's the willingness. I don't know. And to be honest, actually, like if I don't have to trade, right? I don't have nothing to do. I'm not trying to trade to make some money, and I freaking get high. I'm getting the munchies, and I'm gonna need cookies or some snacks. Getting the munchies, and then I'm going to sleep right after that. But when I'm trading, nope, I'm still gonna be productive. Yes, it does.
They tried to count me out. I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account.
And even when I'm high and I'm not trading, all I need is just some energy drinks.
They tried to count me
It helps me.
I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it. And I'm always on go. I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it. Yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave. Yeah.
Any update on the MFF situation? I have no idea.
10 times 10. I got wires coming in. Some in euros, some in cents.
But hey, don't you work for them?
I've been trying to keep my
MFF?
keep my cool.
No,
Yeah.
no,
You must have all the information.
no.
Tried to count me out. I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
They've never reached out to me.
They tried to count me out. I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. Did it? Do it. I did it all, no gimmicks.
I'm Satoshi.
Got all these clones. Now I got all you twinning. Now I got all you thinking like all you thinking like all you.
Have I ever tried Monrox? Is that a weed strain? Oh yeah. Yep. I think I have in California.
They try, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that
The flower kind of looks like a rock.
beat the odds. You know the rest. They tried to count me out. I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
No, I think it's because the flower looks like a rock. I don't know.
They tried to count me out. I'ma go count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
What is my strategy? Supply and demand. I combine it with other stuff too, but primarily supply and demand. Because at the end of the day, that's still what I'm looking for. Now, if this candle close bullish, now guess what? You can take a sell.
I see what you're saying.
You see what I'm saying now?
Yep.
Yeah. You know, the thing about trading is when you've been trading for a while, there are some setups that you will see that you'll be like, oh man, I know this setup. I've seen it multiple times, and this is what usually happens. And then you just wait for that thing to happen. Sometimes when it happens, it won't do what you want it to do. But majority of the time, it will do what you want it to do. And then gold, I'm expecting it to fall. And if it breaks this high, then it is what it is. Simple.
Reason why I win. Lot of missed calls looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged, dog. Check my mental health. I was feeling like a
RIP to supply and demand. Okay. Good luck to you with your strategy. I'm gonna keep using my supply and demand over here. Look at what CJ React said on YouTube. He said, try ICT. I said my strategy is supply and demand. He said I should try ICT. As if
he knows ICT created trading.
As if ICT is not trading supply and demand. That's crazy. Just because ICT freaking switched the name to other block, and I said I'm trading supply and demand. That's funny. All of you ICT traders, you trading supply and demand. I've said this multiple times on my channel. I'm not hating on ICT, but all it simply did was to freaking come up with a freaking brand name, which is the other block. The freaking, what is it called? COCHD, change of character and all that, just all these different terminologies. That's all it did. All of you are trading supply and demand. If you're an ICT trader, you ain't trading no freaking other block.
Listen, YouTube, you have to sign up to Fibonacci. That's where it's at.
Fibonacci. Smart money concept. One to the other to me. Oh, you're trading SMC. I don't even know what to say. It's like if ICT is so popular in this forex industry that if they see any trader trade supply and demand, automatically they assume you trade SMC.
You need to read what Logan wrote.
And I can't see Fibonacci and high as a kite funding. We trading GJ. There's a reason why he's so famous. Oh, give us your reason. Anyone can be famous in social media. Say something else. There are people in social media that started from zero and then they became famous. So say something else. Yep. I have your answer right here on Zoom. Someone said marketing makes you famous. Oh man, the music stopped. Man, London session better not be this slow on Monday. That GG sale though in New York, how long were we in that sale? I think we took it here. So oh, just an hour. We went to Jordan for an hour. So that wasn't bad. But damn, that 1 hour sure was feeling like hours. And this right now, get 30 minutes. It's about to be 45. Oh, we need Akon music. I can only play that though when we trade New York session. Yeah, One Life Passion. 3 months to be exact. 3 months. Since June. And now we're in a new month, so we'll see what happens on Monday. You know, today is also Friday as well, so can't really say too much until London session on Monday. Yeah, if only GJ can just go in profit.
Lately blessings coming down a lot. They coming down. I see my fam, I can't be down and now. I can't be down and since 17 they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. Don't need no one. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. I get to thumbing. It comes to me, don't do no running round. No time for running round. I get upset when things don't go my way. I get upset, but I cannot complain. I save a bag to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bay, those type of things. 10 a.m. Used to sleep and I've been up since minute, let me say something. How could you be stagnant when it's based
This whoever this CJ React is so ignorant.
on? No, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode. Please don't wait up.
He's one of those ICT traders that if you're not using whatever ICT calls its freaking supply and demand strategy, if you're not using that, then you don't know how to trade. You suck. You're not making any money. Very ignorant. That's how I know you're not making no money. You're definitely trading a demo account.
There's some choice words I have for him, but I can only type it in chat because I don't want you to get demonetized.
That's why I'm calming down too. There's so many things I want to say. Like, damn. That's kind of like telling a teacher or a mechanic, oh, if you're not repairing, if you're not fixing this car this way, then you suck. If you take your car to a repair shop, for example, and you take two separate cars to two different mechanics, I promise you, the way the first mechanic is going to work on that car will be different from the way the second mechanic is going to work on the other car. But the end result will be the same. Your car works. The end result will be the same. That's how trading is. There are so many ways to freaking trade this market. Man, there you go, Justin. I like your reply. Justin said if SND is the reason I'm here and still a trader, I want to be a gambler. Yep, let me be a gambler. At least I'm making money from gambling. The same freaking zone I have marked here that I used here on the 5 minute, it will be the same zone that an ICT trader will mark, but they will just call it order block. That's the difference, the name. And if I mark this demand here, same thing. ICT trader would just call it bullish order block, bearish order block. or whatever they call it.
I might go forever, go for eons. Friend like you don't be on. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya. See ya. See ya. Be gone. See ya.
Even your so-called ICT strategy, even though you guys are trading supply and demand, keep trading it and don't manage your money. Let's see how your account will grow. Money management has nothing to do with whatever strategy you're using. See, that's why I said it's ignorant. He's not a trader. Because he's just saying dumb stuff. Let me keep quiet. I won't look at the chat no more, so I won't respond.
I collect for my seeds. Would've thought my name tree. I pick up then I leave. In my pocket I be. I don't like to be seen. I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof on the proof. I be way up with the moon. I'm looking down on you. Hey nigga, I'm proud of you. Stack money a mile or two. I might go forever, go for eons. Friend like you don't be on. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom.
You know what, guys? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the same thing ICT did. I'm going to call supply and demand. Somebody give me a name. I'm going to change the name. I market myself on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all freaking social media. Then I'll get famous. And everybody will just start calling it what I'm calling it. That's how easy it is. Logan said, Suban hi. Suban hi. Oh, I'll say, okay, this is your sober zone here, and this is your high zone here. The sober zone will be the supply, and the high zone will be the demand.
So this is where GJ lit up.
Mm-hmm.
This is where GJ withdrew, going through withdrawal symptoms. Then he took some time to trip out over here.
What's good doing?
I'm acting unruly too. This is me unusual. Life's a game, I'm cruising, so I cannot do no wrong.
I should stop trading. I'm embarrassing myself. You know what CJ reacts? Today, as soon as we're done, you put 20 grand in the account, in an account, and I put 20 grand in an account. We just double it. Check it. Let's just take it to 40K. If you don't reply me back on my Instagram and say you've done it, I better not see you on my YouTube channel again.
I wear my new shoes today. Step in my shoes today. Don't step on my shoes today. Happy with an attitude. Please don't think I'm mad at you. I work on my gratitude.
Let's see who's the real trader.
I cannot do no wrong. I don't have much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you're never making plays. Playing phone tag.
Just double it. We're not even gonna like triple it or nothing. Just double. 20 to 40. Yeah, you can keep talking today. Exactly, Dipsy. Tell him to go live. Let's see how long you will last trading live on YouTube. Let's see how long you last.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you a birthday whip. 2 times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Lil Shanae, Louis V8 for your birthday.
Yeah, Adrian, but sometimes I try to ignore it.
I wanna break up just to make up. I adore you, so I adore you. Is it to you? I need more of you. Make it so I spend it, this is for you. Make it so I spend it, I am for happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Yep, you got time today.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You said I got time today.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you a birthday whip. 2 times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around buy you a birthday.
Oh, but if this was face to face, it would be a different story.
Louis V8 for your birthday. Step it on your day, no slide on you.
Because
Your day, no crying.
once I'm pissed off, I throw the first punch.
Time to celebrate.
I always do.
Big day, time to set it straight. If anybody spoils, I'ma regulate. Open up the tab, baby, check his happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
People think I'm lying when
Yo,
I. You said what?
Yo, Pete, just read my set.
Damn, you almost made me choke on my freaking weed. You said knock his other block off. Man, kill a bit. That was a good one. Knock his other block off. Yeah, I'm crying. That was a good laugh. I needed that one.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes.
This is just like London session yesterday. Even though all the trades we won all of them, man, it was just like this. Oh, look at gold. So imagine if we are taking this already.
That's why you need a master.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. Understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good.
Come on, DJ. You know you want to fall. Just stop playing.
It's me versus me. It's you and I. The time is now. It's do or die. I chose my path. No choosing sides. I'll take what comes. Hit for the ride. That guy. No more time for the bad guy. Never going back to the bad side. Need the holy water, get baptized. Yeah, yeah, I'm that guy. No more time for the bad guy. Never going back to the bad side. Need the holy water, get baptized. I'm that guy. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. Misunderstood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes.
You might get this on NAS.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should.
Damn, why is it not? Grab liquidity above this high, and then we boom fall. Then you have this 5-minute supply. Just wanted to see. Said if we do tap this 5-minute, right there, you can take sales below this minor support coming back down. Oh, GJ. Oh no, Logan, only during New York session, because I think New York session for a while is like after midnight, right? Your time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, GG is really playing.
Same faces around me and it's hardly friends. Saying how you do it, but you hardly did. Fibbing on the ground, yeah, you probably is. Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's
Let's see what happens to this 3 minute.
like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time.
We should reject this 3 minute and start following again.
I got now, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Pull up from the logo like it's game time. Same zone, so don't catch me.
And when you, those of you on YouTube, when you watching live streams like this, not just mine, whoever you watch as well, because I know for sure I'm not the only one you guys watch, but make sure you watch and learn. Don't just be watching, just be waiting for the trader to take a trade. Watch and learn. This is the best way you can learn. That's why I believe in the education, the actual education, than just sending signals. I'm not really helping you if all I'm doing is just sending you signals. All I'm simply doing is I'm making money off of you. I'm not helping you. But there are a lot of people out there that don't realize that. That's why this is not for them. My mentorship group, we do the same. We trade live. We make money together. We lose money together. But we're going to make more than we lose.
And we have a good time doing it.
Yep. We have smoking sessions. We have parties, listening to music while trading. Yep, and we catch jokes too. I'm good another day, and you? You lighting up right now? Nice.
Checks, I invest and I spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to bet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change. I like to treat every day like it's my B-day. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again.
Oh, I was just gonna say Faye's not here, but I remembered during New York session yesterday, she said she's going on vacation.
Do it again, again,
Yep.
again.
Hey, how you doing, Mugisha?
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain.
24-hour candle opened, and then this previous candle flipped bearish and started dropping. I was like, oh yeah, we're definitely dropping now.
It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. I love you.
Man, sheesh. Good was nasty for doing this right here.
Say we should make a YouTube, but we don't do that.
Just fake sellers in.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money
Would have faked me in.
make it rain.
Oh, you were gonna take it?
In my house, don't need no floor.
I wasn't gonna take it because we're already in GJ, but I was thinking like, oh, okay, maybe take it there.
It's just me and the fam.
Yeah. Oh wow, you got 12 pips from that drop? Let's see how many pips was this candle? 13. Oh yeah, you took an aggressive entry. Because this whole candle is just 13 pips. Okay, this 3 minutes is not gonna hold. Yeah, I'm 135.
Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end. Me and you. If you spend space.
Yep, we're still in GGSL.
Just say the word and we gon' run it up. You're number one and it's don't run up. Don't matter if your birthday's coming up. I'm still gon' get you those little gifts and it's not even about that. I just love to make you smile. So
Yep, this is the 5-minute supply. I'm waiting to see if he's actually gonna
little meal or something. What we doing
reject it.
Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end. Me and you. If you spend, then I spend. All on you. It was always you and me.
No, I'm still in GGSL. I'm not out.
Away from a dream. And I can never get away.
If I was out, I won't be here. I won't be on stream.
It was always saying that.
I would have ended this stream.
Little ones too. Go ahead, stand right there. Go ahead, smile for the pic. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my 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 best friend. Go best friend.
Five-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. If this 5-minute supply holds, this thing should freaking fall. The volume usually kicks in right about now. During London. I'm still here because of GJ. I usually don't stay this long, but for the past 3 months, I've been having to stay longer than in London.
And that's for life. Compliment on my flaws like that's alright. catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you
Look at what GJ did here to the left. If you took a cell, so you took a cell somewhere here, right here, because of the rejection of the supply to the left. Came down, pulled back, rejected again, came down, went back up before it eventually dropped.
See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless.
You need African music. Yeah.
But they can't get rid of me. I keep on coming with energy. I keep on bringing that energy. Energy, energy, energy. I feel on top of the top. I think outside of the box. I won't fall into that box. Energy, energy, energy. Live up to my name. Go around, take the blame. Never wanted other fame. I stay away from that lane. I can still wake up and ball out. All in my court, I go ball out. Look at my baby go all out. Energy, energy, energy. Yeah, 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 come on. Yeah, 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 come on. I could write this in my sleep. Say you don't sleep, but I sleep. That's why you're sleeping on me. Why? Energy, energy, energy. Don't say a word or a peep. Me, I'm just me, I'm me. I keep it true, I don't sneak. Energy, energy, energy. I hit being on the road. Hard as a home when I'm home. Watching my babies get old. That gets me into my zone. That gets me into my groove. You know I'm nice, I'm not rude. Got no time for attitudes. Energy, energy, energy. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you. I do me, do you. This ain't what you used to. 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 This from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you. All night, get right. Know you know the price. Know you know the name, no games. I need all my money now, not playing, man.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. Inga bra tappmat på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby.
Well, it's not over until it's over.
För du med annan. Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan jag vill ha min chakarinna. Mosa och save ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby. Ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart det finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min kör det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life villa yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger av min tid och jag vill ha det. Men får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leva baby.
CJ reacts a word of advice. The comment you just made now, you definitely need some help. You need a mentor. Because your mindset is fucked up.
sig tidigare om allt igen och förstå ser det som ett alltid det jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men
Even billionaires, like freaking billionaires, if there's somewhere or an area where they can actually make money from and have another income stream, it makes sense to them. They're not gonna say, oh shit, I don't need that money, I already have enough money. But you, on the other hand, anyways, to each his own. GJ is pissing me off today. What do I think about MFF being shut down? I mean, I don't know. I just hope they get their accounts unfrozen so they can pay out all these traders. I'm gonna wait till 5 today, and then I gotta try and go take a nap for New York session. Shit, I'm probably not gonna take a nap. I'm gonna watch a movie. I like this beat. I mean, this song is actually in the Afrobeat genre. I mean, it's not really Afrobeat, but hey, it's there. Because, you know, nowadays, if it sounds Afrobeat, then they just call it Afrobeat. This beat is more like Caribbean beat. No, I haven't seen that, Logan. Okay, post it on, send it to the Discord. I don't want to be in this trade to NFP.
Oh man, GJ.
CJ said, word of advice. Listen, guys. Word of advice, start trading clean charts. He said clean charts. Clean. So my chart is not clean right now. It's messy. I have like lines everywhere, indicators everywhere. My chart is not clean. And then he said, don't waste your time on GJ, gold, and other boring charts. You see, he's calling gold GJ and what? Yep, gold and GJ charts. And anyway, he doesn't trade. Or he's still learning. Oh, you sent it to Discord, Logan?
Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way.
What are my thoughts on gold right now? Let's see. Well, there's nothing you can do right now other than for you to wait and see how we react to this supply. If you were here at the beginning when I started streaming, I said there was a chance we might reject this supply, but I actually wanted to break this 1944 and get back up to this supply up there because I feel like there's a higher chance of us rejecting the supply here at the top. And I'll just tell you, just forget about gold right now, just wait for NFP. Just wait for NFP.
Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer.
He doesn't even know I trade indices too.
Man, that CJ guy, he doesn't shut up. It's like the guy's got no time, but he's got all the fucking time on his YouTube chat.
She just screams like what? She just screams like a baby in wet diapers.
I was chilling. Night out, yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah.
You see what I was saying about NAS100?
On my way yet again, we must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe.
To wait for the potential pullback of this supply right here. I reject it now. Take a side below this minor support here. Because if we start crossing that, then it should continue falling. Hey Nigel, how you been?
Damn, okay. See how it is.
That's funny. Because yesterday New York session, it was like, I don't think it was even 5 minutes after you left. And that thing just started dropping. It has happened like twice.
Yeah, that happened before New York session too.
It was like they were just waiting for you to leave. Okay, once Wild leaves, that's when we're gonna start. That's when we'll start moving.
Well, I'm gonna go get dinner, so I am gonna leave, and hopefully GJ does drop.
And it's gonna drop now that you're leaving.
I'll see you guys in New York.
See you in New York. New York again. Man, now that Wild left, you'll be crazy if you just start dropping. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the challenge that I got from the Billions Club. I actually passed phase 1 during NY session yesterday, so I'm on phase 2 now. Yeah, I'm on phase 2 now.
Nothing else matching your type. Nothing else matching your type. Yeah. Oh, I feel the
And this GJ trade is my first trade on phase 2.
taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be a chauffeur.
Oh, all right, Nigel. Thank you, FS. Not a. Kitty, man. I don't wanna. I don't know if I can pronounce your name. I don't wanna do it wrong. Yep. All right. CJ reacts. Everything you've been saying. Everything you've been saying. This is the only thing I agree with. You said it's not about years, my friend. I 100% agree with you on that one. That's the only thing I agree with you on. I don't know. AJC Ask CJ reacts.
Sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind.
Well, maybe not. CJ reacts.
Just been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say who you want, but I know you heard at night.
All right, man. Watching GJ right now makes me. I just want to keep smoking. I'll be having a meetup sometime next year in Vegas. I'll let you guys know.
CJ, you're invited.
CJ's not gonna come. What do you... Because he doesn't want me to. Hey, what the kid that been said earlier that made me laugh so hard? Because he doesn't want me to knock his other block off. CJ React, I'm just messing with you now. It's all positive vibes over here. And we make jokes too. If I'm not laughing, then no, I'm not. Just know I'm serious as hell. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, CJ Reacts, who cares? The red box above the SL, that's my supply. And the color is just something that I don't know why I just do it. It's just something I like to do. My supply zones, I change the color to red, and my demand zone, I change the color to green. It's just something I like to do. Alright, CJ reacts. That's fine. I'm not in competition with no one. The only person I'm in competition with is myself. Oh, you got in a buy earlier? Oh, nice.
Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next up. All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best us. Oh yeah, been around the block, but I'm back cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it pass us. Come over, yeah. Been had me from the start. You been on my radar.
GJ is actually a good pair to trade, honestly. It's a good pair to trade.
I could give you the world, girl, won't you? Try me, I bet you gon' like it.
It doesn't matter the pair that you trade. There will be you gonna win and you're gonna lose on that same pair. But what you need to find out is, okay, for example, we're going to use GJ. Now, me trading GJ, obviously I'm going to win sometimes and I'm going to lose sometimes. But if I'm winning more than I lose, and the way I look at it, if I'm having at least a 70% win rate on GJ, then it's a good pair for me to trade because it's working for me. So, no matter the pair you trade, there will be wins, there will be losses. But whatever pair you're trading and you look at your trading journal and you're actually losing a lot more than you're winning, then you need to look for another pair. You need to look for another pair, or you need some help. And then what you do is to go get help. I'm talking about trading. Do I trade Euro USD? Nope, I hate Euro USD. It's not, it moves slow. If I was an intraday trader or a swing trader, then I would trade Euro USD. But as a scalper or day trader, I need volatile pairs that move. So that's why them trade Euro USD.
Fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Line up on the place, not all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love.
You need me to go to the restroom?
You feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing.
Festy was wow. Now me. Okay. Is that a fat zoot? Man, I don't know what you're trying to say. Am I trading NFP today? Yeah. Oh, I couldn't hear you.
No, I was saying a zoo is a joint.
Oh damn, you're still breaking up. It's not on your end. Oh, Zoot. Oh, okay. Oh, you guys say Zoot in the UK. Oh. Oh, what do I think about the news on MFF? Man, it's just sad, but I don't know. But I'm just hoping that, they actually unfreeze their accounts so they can pay all these, traders that are funded. I'm sure there's a lot of traders that was probably expecting a payout. Now they're not gonna get it. Yep, there you go, Immortal D. So this GJ trade, to respond to, I'm just gonna call you by your last name, Moduka. So there's no reason for me to get out the trade, primarily because my stop loss is 20 pips. I'm willing to lose 20 pips. I'm willing to lose 20 pips, and where I have my stop losses, it's at a very, very good place. It's just right above the highs. So there's no point for me to get out the trade. Oh, MFF has disabled the comment section. Where? Their Discord or their YouTube channel? Oh, on Insta? Alright, YouTube, if you want to learn how I trade or trade New York session with us as well, and trade London session with us as well, Monday to Friday, my link is down below in the description. All my links is down there in the description. So I have to go now, guys, because I'm still going to trade New York session with my private community. This trade right here should be a winner, so I'm just going to let this thing run its course, but I'll be securing at 12 and then closing my other position at 20. We'll see. So I'll see you guys on Monday. If you're trading NFP, be careful, be very patient as well. Don't just take trades blindly. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Zoom, I'll see you guys there in New York.
Recording stopped.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate.